Howdy Chemistry peeps. Today I'm going to be answering number 4 on the practice test. The question is, what is the mass percent of sulfur atoms in Fe2 in parentheses SO4 in parentheses 3, which I believe is iron 3 sulfate. I may be wrong on that, I'm not sure. So I color coordinated my whole board to make this process easier for y'all. So for iron, you can see here that we have 2 atoms. So what I do is I take the 2 atoms and I find the atomic mass, which will be on the periodic table, which is at the front, and I multiply those together and I get 111.69. So that's like our total mass for the iron atoms. And I do the same here for sulfur. So I do 3 times 32.065 and I get 96.195. I then do that for the oxygen. Notice here the oxygen is 12. This is why I color coordinated this up here. So this 3 is going to distribute out. So we're going to do 3 times 4, and that's how we get the 12. And that is also how our sulfur has 3 atoms. Just don't forget about the distribution. So we do 12 times 15.99, and that gives us 191.9928. So then I add all those together to get the molar mass. So when you're finding the percent by volume, you're going to want to put the atom's mass, like of the total atoms, so like the multiplied out, over the molar mass. So for example, for iron, we do 111.69 over 399.8778. So then once you put that in your calculator, you're going to get this number. You're going to get 0.2793, and you're going to want to move your decimal point over 2 spots to get your percentage. So the percent by mass for iron is 27.93%. I do the same for oxygen down here. Sorry, that was me moving my calculator. I do the same for oxygen down here, and I take the 191.9928 mass and put it over the molar mass. I get 0.4801, and I move my decimal point over 2, and that's how I get the percent by mass, which is 48.01%. So as you can see, oxygen has the most percent by mass, and sulfur, which is our answer, is going to have the least. So to get the sulfur, I'm going to put the 96.195 over the molar mass. I get 0.2406, and I move my decimal point over 2, and that is how I get 24.06%. And that is the percent by mass for the sulfur atoms in iron 3 sulfate. I hope this helped you. Toodles.